Hello, Can Do Guy here. I have another video here for a new knife. It's sold by Walmart. It's Ozark trail knife, a 7-inch folding knife. It's got an spring-assisted opening, a stainless steel blade, and stainless steel handles. Ozark Trail. Here's what the back looks like. 7-inch folding knife. 3-inch stainless steel blade with satin finish. 4-inch titanium coated stainless steel handle. Safety frame lock and a pocket clip. And this is made in China. Let's get it out of the package here. Take this little plastic protector off. Get another good look at it here. There is the belt clip. And it's like I said, it was spring assist to open. To close it, you take this little ridge thing here, push it down, and then pull the blade back and snap it in. There's what it looks like closed. It's pretty well built. Got a lot of good weight to it. Ozark Trail seems to make some pretty good knives. The spring assist opens like this. Just that quick. Of course, you push it back down again. What I did was I pushed down on this little button right here, back this direction, and it flips it right out. Really pretty neat. It's not an automatic knife, but it's spring assist, which makes it really cool. There is another way that you can go about opening it if you want, is to push this button here and flip it out also. But I like doing it with the top assist button. Just flip it down like that. Okay, well, there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.